In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to delete or deactivate Bybit account. So all you just need to do, just log into your Bybit account just like this right here, as you can see my screen. Then on the top left icon where you see your profile picture or an icon of your profile, so at the top right here, you can see at this top right here, top left, sorry, so at the top left, so just click on that icon. Then you're gonna see your page just like this. Then the next thing you're gonna see is the security right here. You can see the security beside the invite friend, so just click on the security. Then it's gonna take you to this page right here. So the next thing I'm gonna do, just scroll all the way down. Then you can see account settings right here, so just click on account settings. Then you're gonna see this page right here, deactivate an account. So you're gonna click on that. Then the page will load and it will take you straight down to a browser where you can actually proceed to deactivate your account. And on that page, they're gonna ask you the reason why you actually want to deactivate your account. Then you tell them the reason, and of course your account will be deactivated or delete immediately.